Around Babbacha, you stop my mobile inactivity. You are that same crooked, ableist Mexican god, the depth vicious Islamic chamber. You feel that you are gained with their thought. Crime can be claimed as a right, privilege, godly character, Allah character, telling lies, horrible, innocent yogi, Mahapurush, scientist killing is right, privilege. You are terrorized. You are not able to listen me. You are in Islamic avatar, crime, criminal depelling system. You are not hesitate to go away. You are still are not equally communicated. Communication is not your whimsical delivery to other blocking to keep in vicious chambers. You are not Kevin evils, richest by remote killing evil criminal. You are the lowest based Obama criminal. How Obama become president of USA? How? Unless this vicious criminal system, Kamala Harris like prostitute evils babies, how can be president or Zelensky like evil or Ursula von or Melanie or Rishi Sunak evils or Anthony Blinken or Joe Biden etc. evil all how become enter in that European sphere psychosomatic pill. You evil witches, son and daughter, black pitchers and negroes. You are still allowing that. You are benefited with this Islamic vicious. Crime is your right. Crime is your right. Killing is your right of honest. Destructive, you are honest. You are honor filling. You are scared to repeat that psalm that cannot be to kill you. We chanting manner. We chanting manner. We chanting manner. You are expressing me. What evilism still you are expressing me. I have to take some rest 1 minute, 2 minutes at a stage of speaking. What you feeling proudly? Getting this Islamic evil, criminalizer, murderer, murderist, wishes, deliberate, witches, sons and daughters, liar, betrayal, treacherous killer, snake, call, pakhanda, still to claim superior in Hinduism. You feel that Draupadi Murmu should be kept off my head, or the Narendra Modi Rakshas. You feel that they are privileged. Ashwini, Piyush Goyal, S. Jaishankar, culprit Ajit Dabhal, you all IB officer, you are National Maritime Foundation Private Evilism, you are Indian IDSS MOA, you are Indian Council of World Affairs, you are Shanghai Corporation, you are Rights in a Dialogue of UNESCO, you are International Oceanographic Commission peoples, you are not semi-evils criminals, till date to do this wrong, please a privilege right to remain to be unpunishable. God above, no law can should blame you. What this wrongness reveals, low caste schedule criminal, murderer, liars, inability, horrible inability, nonsense, stupid criminal, murderer, you will pride, right, swarara bachas. Kapa? হ্যাঁ না না ওরা না সে মাটির নিচে ওরা লাউঠোগুলো খেপা না 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 till morning 30th November 2025 you are misusing that vicious AI system killing killer in which way you have killed frightening of my father, mothers, patterns, sisters, then billions great people you have killed from underneath. You are climate changers. You, the vicious, same guilt, you feel pride. Feeling pride. It is a feeling pride. Feeling pride. It is your right. NASA evils Negros, NASA in Negros evil Obama, NASA Negros National Oceanography, Udsoleki Hole, Blue Whale evils, Donald Trump, Bill Gates Semiconductor, Japanese evils. You are not helping, you are blaming Germany's white. Germans are hate you, German people. But you liars, Japanese, criminals, Shankar evils, you evil Japanese, you evil Japanese criminal. Pujish, I told Marani Shankar EVM machine evils, Modi's winner maker evil criminals. You are not the same. What I am blaming? ও নিচে ভয় পাচ্ছে নিচে থেকে তবে বুঝতে পারছে না মাটি ও তোমাকে দেখছে না মাটির ভিতরের ভয় আসছে বা মাটির ভিতর থেকে ভয় পাচ্ছে ছেড়ে দাও ও ভয়ে গলা শুকিয়ে যাচ্ছে মাটির নিচে থেকে সেই মেশিনে করছে তোমাকে দেখছে না ও চার তরফ লোককে দেখছে ভিতরে ফিলিং হচ্ছে তা ছেড়ে দাও আয় আসো But I have taken notes. You Asian, USA, Indian, evil political Obama, monobox changers, witchcraft. You are mechanically dead maker, horrible killers, mind, mesmerizer, bodies mesmerizers, environment, atmosphere, imbalance, total killer, horrible, panicky, ferocious, cruelty, barbarism, vicious, stupid, inability, barbarism, whimsical, arrogant, criminals. You feel great saying, you evil Ghoshes, Rahit Mahit Samitra, Bardhaman evils, Barun village Bimal Singh Bang Aishias. Nana Kepa. Nana Kepa. Nana Kepa. No. No crime, no fear, no, baby, no. I will take them, I will kill them. I am promised, I promised to kill them, to destroy from remote apart. This is horrible. So Modi. No, Kappa. No, you just peaceful, calm. I will take them, bring them from Mexico Gulf. I will build them, take them, kill them, Blinken, Anthony Blinken, and Obama, Joe Biden, Kamala Harris. Satan Jayashankar, Indian Council of Evil, World Affairs Evil, Indian Defense Strategical and IDSA, IB Raw Evils, National Maritime Foundation Evil, Observation Research ORF Evil, Bill Gates, Melinda Gates criminal. I will take you as a teaching of witches, sons and daughters evil criminal Jalansky. You are Tata killer, you evil Japanese. I will not. অতি অহিতকর নররাক্ষস নরখাদক criminals. You are অতি নরখাদক criminals. Evil Singh Vijay Bimal, evilest. Your Badharut, I have seen your faces in India, in my institutes of pure civil, barbar, cruel, criminal Bengal. I have Gokhad blamed in that. Monkeys of Kamarpukur evils, monkeys of Kamarpukur college evils, monkeys Malik Abdul Mannan evil. I will kill you all veterinarian. I will kill you I will destroy, cleanse America, India, UK, Europe. All evils will be cleansed by me. Revealed King, King revealed, as I am God again to upon reaffirming. Nobody can captive, safe, unpunished, pardonable. No, you are all unpardonable. You all unpardonable evil liars.